Hi, everybody. This is Chief Meteorologist Jonathan Myers, and I'm here to give you a live update on what we can expect out of Ida's remnants. The thinking's still pretty much the same here as we're midway through our 10 p.m. newscast. I'm able to speak pretty loudly right now because we're in our commercial break, but you'll hear me getting quieter when we get out of commercials and go back on air. So Ida in Maryland, looks like it's remnants that come through our neck of the woods for tomorrow. Spin-up tornado risk, that's there. Heavy rain risk, that's there as well. Thankfully, this is pretty quick in and quick out. It's a big hit that happens in probably about a 5 to 10 hour period, and then we are dry likely by the weekend. So things will get better by the weekend as well. Now, take a look at the radar. Tornado watches just down to our south and southwest, west of Richmond. Hi there, Darlene. Good to see you. And south of the D.C. metro area right now, but I think it takes till tomorrow afternoon until we see any real tornado threats around here, although there will be some rain pulling in from the south, as you see, into western Maryland already and portions of West Virginia. You move down toward Knoxville, Bristol. There's already been reports of flooding in Tennessee out of this, and it's that same system moving our way. Hi there, Robin in Dundalk. Flash flood watch is going to be going into effect at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. And hi there, Cindy. Good to see you. And last until, and I'm going to have to quiet down now as we can hear Kai talking in the background as we go back into our newscast. But flash flood watch is in effect for the entire area. And that means that we could see 2 to 4 inches of rain with some localized amounts, as high as about 6 inches of rain north of the city. Moderate rain or moderate excessive rainfall potential here in Baltimore and surrounding areas. That includes you there in Kernersville, right around beautiful Martinsburg, West Virginia, Paula. Good to see you, Lori and Jeffrey and Glen Burnie. There's the system down to our south and lots of wetness with it. That starts moving in tonight with some occasional rain, and then severe weather could come in as some warmer and more unstable air moves in as this comes pretty much across. The remnants come across Maryland and into Pennsylvania. Hi there, Donna in Canton. Yes, looks like a lot of rain coming our way. The heaviest rain potential here in Baltimore areas north for tomorrow, and then that severe weather potential, Baltimore and areas south. Yes, no problem, Julia. Not a problem at all. Pasadena, looks like, again, you'll have maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches of rain, and then that threat of severe weather. You see it there, continuing chance for some spin-up tornadoes, an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow, especially, again, in the afternoon and heading into the early evening hours tomorrow. Chris Ellicott said he can handle, several inches of rain in a few hour period. It's a problem when that happens in 15 minutes, a half hour, something like that. So I think Ellicott said he'll be okay. Hi there. Good to see you, Angela. Enhanced risk of severe weather. That's a 3 out of 5, if you will, in terms of severe weather risk. Again, Columbia, you're in that risk. The entire area really in that risk. Our biggest threat is going to be the potential here of, in terms of severe weather, tornadic thunderstorms that are going to be moving through the area. As is a typical case, you sometimes do get these spin-up tornadoes with remnant tropical systems. And again, that looks like one may happen for us tomorrow, at least in some spots. And that's going to include northeast as well, Candace, with good 2 to 4 inches of rain and potentially some severe weather too. Now, out in the tropics, we also have Kate that's still spinning out there in the open Atlantic. There's tropical depression number 12. It's moving its way into the, central Atlantic into the weekend. That could be a Cat 2, actually, into the weekend. And then we've also got a low chance of development that's west of the Windward Islands. Hi there in Phoenix. Good to see you. So a few other things that we're going to be watching closely after we get rid of this. 78 degrees right now, winds out of the east at 5 miles an hour, and that's a moist direction for us. So the rain, maybe an embedded thunderstorm overnight, could taper a little bit towards the morning commute, but here we go again tomorrow afternoon. The rain, the thunderstorms at 2:45 through about 5 o'clock. And look at that big batch of rain at 7:30. That is not looking good. That's going to be downpours and maybe even some, again, severe weather there. Gusty winds, maybe even a spin-up tornado, not out of the question. And Tanya, looks like, yes, we could see all that same weather there in West Baltimore into about midnight tomorrow night. Could see some of that heavy rain as well as a severe weather potential as well. Take a look at the future scan, printing out anywhere up to about 1 to 3 inches of rain, maybe 2 to 4. Could have some higher amounts, though, as you work up towards the state line. So for tonight, it's mild and muggy, lots of clouds, a few showers around. Janine, which area is 21206? Is that in the city? Just clarify there. The rain probably already just about starting here in Martinsburg in West Virginia, and tomorrow afternoon, that's when it gets worst for you there as well. Tomorrow, heavy rain and strong storms developing by afternoon, and boy, messy day for tomorrow. And then finally into Thursday, looks like the showers and thunderstorms taper off probably about midnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Early shower on Thursday, 78 with sunshine. Nice, beautiful weather on Thursday afternoon. Stays nice for Friday, Saturday. Sunday could see a spot shower, and Labor Day is looking pretty good too, with a high 83. So again, Felicia, and to answer your question, Monica, looks like East Baltimore and our area really in total is going to be getting the rain and the wind and maybe even a tornado out of some of this as Ida remnants come in after about midnight to, or I should say midday to about 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon all the way into tomorrow evening. So hopefully that answers your question there. Otherwise, I will be going ahead. Yes, Shanta, you're right. You might. You're going to definitely need your rain gear.